Hello everyone.
The South African Police Service confirmed that the widow of a senior police officer who was involved in the Senzo Meyiwa murder investigation has been shot dead in a drive-by shooting in Voslo. Brigadier Philani Ndlovu was one of the most senior police officers at the crime scene, where former football star Senzo Meyiwa was gunned down at the Voslo home of his girlfriend Kelly Khumalo. Brigadier Ndlovu was retired, died in May last year, a few weeks after the start of the first Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, which was sitting at the Northern Gauteng High Court in Pretoria before Judge Chifiwa Maumela. Some reports said he was poisoned, while others said he was ill. According to NPA, Brigadier Ndlovu was not expected to testify in the murder trial of Senzo Meyiwa as he had not deposed a statement, but his name has been mentioned a number of times during the Meyiwa murder trial, both under Judge Maumela and the second trial under Judge Rata Mokgwatleng. His wife Nonhlanhla has been now murdered almost 18 months later in a hail of bullets. Police spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Mavela Masondo confirmed police were investigating a murder case. He said Mrs. Ndlovu was driving in a Voslo at about 12:50 p.m. on Sunday when suspects fired at her from another vehicle that was driving alongside her. It is reported that the deceased was driving in Voslo on Sunday, November 5, 2023 at approximately 12:50 p.m. when she was shot by suspects who were driving parallel to her. The motive for the killing is unknown at this stage. Police are appealing to anyone who might have information that can help in the investigation or assist in the apprehension of the suspects to call the nearest police station. Brigadier Ndlovu was accused of being one of the officers who were part of a cover-up of the 2014 murder. During the first trial, Advocate Malisela Tefo, who is now disbanded, said Brigadier Ndlovu, who was the head of the Gauteng Provincial Detectives and was in charge of the crime scene, was among the people guiding the unwitting forensic officer Thabo Mosia into the staged scene through tactics including intimidation. Forensic Officer Mosia got involved in the Meyiwa murder case after he received a call from Brigadier Ndlovu about a robbery at the crime scene. He had been on standby that evening. According to the isiZulu news publication Isolezwe, Mrs. Ndlovu had been in Gauteng for 3 weeks and was now living in Ishowe, KZN, since the death of her husband. It was reported that she had been at the shopping center before she was gunned down. A family spokesperson, Jabula Ndlovu, told Isolezwe that they were still in shock after the murder. Jabula said she was in Joburg to attend some matters. We were shocked by this murder and we didn't know why she would be murdered in this way. 5 accused, Musika Ukhulelwa, Semba Sbiya, Bongani Santisontanzi, Thobisi Prince Mncube, Ziphozonke Maphisa, and Fisokuhle Ntuli are standing trial at the North Gauteng High Court in Pretoria for the murder of the footballer Senzo Meyiwa. Meanwhile, police are searching for suspects who shot 2 people dead outside the Randburg Magistrates Court on Wednesday morning. According to Provincial Police spokesperson Lieutenant Colonel Mavela Masondo, a man and a woman were shot and killed at around 7 a.m. He said it is reported that the victims were walking towards the Randburg Magistrates Court when they were approached by a suspect who shot at them. The victims were certified dead at the scene. Masondo said it is further reported that the suspects were driving in a black Mercedes-Benz. The motive for the killing cannot be confirmed at this stage and a case of murder is being investigated. Police are appealing to anyone who might have information that can help in the investigation or assist in the apprehension of the suspects to please contact the nearest police station. It is a similar incident in May where a woman thought to be a witness in court case was shot and killed near Randburg Magistrates Court in the Western Cape. Medical personnel declared her dead on the scene. The police spokesperson Malcolm Boyki said no arrests have been made yet. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.